the reality.
No dissing on customers.
Yeah.
We appreciate all of you. We love all of you.
Exactly.
Call us. He's married. He's not
Yeah.
available.
Yes. So मेरी शादी हो
उसको 500 रुपए मिलेंगे,
Yeah.
लेकिन 50 रुपए ओवर एक्टिंग के काटे जाएंगे. It's a nice feeling, guys. Is what
It's
I
not
can
nice.
say.
Believe me, people who are saying it's a nice feeling, it's not.
Come on,
I
guys.
almost puked thrice.
That is because you were too drunk. Hi guys, I'm Jasmeet, one half of VedX and founder of Bagan Events.
Hi guys, this is second half of VedX and founder of Silver Lining Production. How you guys are doing? And it's been a really long time that we released anything. We have been a little busy with the shoots and we did a lot of work. So finally we are here and we're gonna talk about a lot of things. I think it's been 3-4 months, so we have a lot of material to talk
Yeah.
about. And so we're gonna start now.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Can
we
we do
are.
it?
Yes, let's
All
do
right,
it.
let's do it.
So this episode is going to be a little more raw, a little more real. We've had a amazing season
Yes,
altogether.
definitely.
Let's just call it amazing, and we're going to talk all about it. We're majorly going to target on the challenges that we've both faced during the season. Everyone talks about the good times, the amazing season that we had, amazing clients that we had, but no one really tells the problems that were going behind it. And I think let's start with that. So Piyush, would you like to tell how was the season? How did it go? What were the major challenges that you faced? And what did we learn?
Well, there's a lot to talk about, but I think I'll start with one thing, which is right now a lot of photographers are coming in the market and they're creating really good content. So every time I sit with my phone and I see Instagram, I get inspired a lot, to see like what sort of work is coming on our way. So that's one thing I really appreciate, which is happening, especially I think in the last season, I saw a lot of good work. That inspired me and our team a lot to do better in terms of photos or how to create sort of more cinematic videos, more documented videos, and that sort of create a video where the customer feels like it's their wedding. Yeah. And it's not anything which is completely set up
Yeah.
or staged. So that I'm really happy about. Talking about the challenges, I think that's one of the biggest challenges that I am facing right now as a photographer, and I think a lot of photographers are facing these days, is when we see the content creators in the wedding. we genuinely don't want to see them. Because, it's like, hey, the bride is coming from that side, and she's just walking down the aisle. You are about to click the best photo from that event, and there's one guy just crossed you. He's standing in front of your frame, and the shot is gone.
Yeah.
The shot is completely gone. And I'm like, this is my job. This is a wedding photographer's job. How did this whole concept got start? I just don't know. And I think this is one of the biggest problem that has been, for I think a lot of photographers last year, especially because the market for social media creator is booming day by day.
Yeah.
As a event planner, what's your take on it?
I have a very different take, and I think we discuss this very often in the office now.
Yeah.
Coming back from an event and decluttering everything, and Piyush and I have sat down and we have just discussed कि कैसे एक अलग ही नया बंदा जो कि एक फोन से shoot कर रहा है and is spoiling a lot of their shots.
हाँ.
But I feel so do we bring like a photographer to cover our shoot and to cover our event, because think of a broader picture. You will give the content after a month or 2 months, whatever the timelines you've discussed with the clients. But for us, everything is on social media. Like the clients, they don't want to come to your office first and see how you are operating. Or, they don't want to first hear the references that you've had from other clients, but they want to see you on social media. And we don't have the time to cover it. And I mean, in all honesty, if I start doing that, I can't produce a good event. So I will have to bring an external person to cover my event, to cover my team, to cover the client. And I understand a person should not come into the frame and, they should be smart enough but well, you can't help it. Like, you know, we need to put it out on Instagram.
No, I completely agree. I think, whatever you're saying, because everything is right now is on Instagram, and everybody, it's this. I think even if they don't want to, we are forced, and sort of we have designed the entire system in a way that we have to post on Instagram. We have to do the marketing on Instagram, but the challenge is just growing every day. Like, I had gone to this one wedding, and what I saw there. So there is a team of photographers, and I'll say that they're like, including the assistant, they're like 12, 13 people are present at the wedding. And out of them, they're like, let's say 8 or 9 people are shooting, and the other assistants who are also working with the photographers and cinematographers. And on top of that, there are people who are creating content, social media content creator. Ab, maybe I could make peace with that,
Yeah.
and I was like, okay, chalo, koi baat nahi yaar, inka bhi kaam hai, let's create content together.
Yeah.
But वहाँ पे एक event के लोग आए हैं, and those event people have their own content creator, right?
Yeah.
I was like, okay, all right, let's go with it. कोई बात नहीं, उनको भी content बना. There's a decor guy. There's another decor guy who has also come with their content creator.
Yeah, well.
All right. Then there's a flower guy who has also come with their content creator. And on top of everything, there's a Masi who is also an influencer.
Yeah.
She has come with the social media team.
Yeah.
The bride has her own media team.
Yeah.
So it just looks like we are all there, we're just shooting each other.
Yeah.
And I'm like, where is my scope? How do I shoot?
Yeah, well.
So, and I think we had a lot of clash, with these things, because at the end, what happens is nobody is gonna come at an event planner or the social media team if they don't get the good shots.
Absolutely, I agree.
If me as a photographer or anybody who is in the market shooting a wedding, and if they don't get the right amount of shots or the right content, they're gonna be blamed for it. Nobody wants to listen कि भाई जब मैं शूट कर रहा था तो मेरे फ्रेम में ये कंटेंट क्रिएटर आ गया था या मासिया क्रिएटर आ गया था या दादिया क्रिएटर आ गया था. Nobody wants to listen to
Yeah,
that.
and the client will not even appreciate it.
Exactly.
After
It's
the
like
wedding.
they were like, you're just giving me excuses.
Yeah,
So
it's your problem. Deal with
it
it.
is your problem. Deal with it. So I think that's one problem. But I mean, like, we are all trying to figure out a solution.
No, I feel like so. I also dealt with this in the season, and I was in one of the events where I knew that there's going to be a lot of crying and a lot of laughing. So I did deal with it in one of my events where the photographers got really angry on us having our own photographer and then another social media company. But then I think the only way out was to have my photographer sit with the photography company, like, their leads, and discuss what are their angles, where they can place him, and just give them their space. Like, for example, like, and I honestly, I learned it from the other people that once when like the choreography is happening, when the clients are doing their performances, my photographer can just stand still. He does not have to run in and out because we just need a father photo, like a video
Definitely.
of just to put it in a reel, or just to have like a snippet of it. We don't need to run when the bride or the gang is running, or when we don't need to capture everyone's emotions. We just need one emotion, and discussing it with the photographer, I think, will solve out major issues, because at the end of the day we just need to post it on our social media, but you're creating something which is going to be a scrapbook for life for the clients.
Definitely. Yes.
And I think this is the only thing that's going to stay with them after the
Bilkul,
wedding,
bilkul,
nothing
bilkul.
else. Like, they'll remember us because we will become their family, I hope so. But what they're going to remember is what you're going to give them, like those 2 minutes trailer, or
Yes.
like the edited photos and the raw. Nahi aayega to it's a loss.
But see, like, what I think in this time, like, if you go back like 5 years, 5 years back, how wedding photography used to be, how event planning used to be, and if you compare that to now, like what's happening, what's the scenario now? Earlier there used to be like, few photographers shooting. The way we took photos, the way we made videos is completely different. Day by day, it's becoming more and more challenging, because I also feel like there's another thing that I want to talk about. Jokes apart, and we all had fun, But the other thing I want to talk about, that a lot of people are so much influenced by Instagram.
Yeah.
For example, if I am getting married, right, what happens when I go on Instagram? And Instagram तो एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि मैंने बोला कि मैंने फ़ोन उठाया, मैं बोला मेरी शादी हो रही है. And Instagram like, अच्छा शादी हो रही है? Okay, let me send you name of vendors. The decorator, event planner, photographer. I'll give you the list every day. 100 list. Name of 100 photographers, 100 event planners. You'll go crazy.
Yeah, it sets the
You know?
algorithm.
Yeah, it's
They're
like,
listening.
hey, you take it.
They're listening to us.
Yes. So the customer is getting so many options,
Yeah.
and as a human being, for example, somebody comes to me and show me a bag of Gucci, and then somebody comes to me and show me a bag of any local brand. I'm not gonna take names here.
We're mentioning Gucci though.
Yes, but I like Gucci. so I will, automatically I'm like, Gucci is better.
Yeah, of course.
And I want something like Gucci.
Of course.
In terms of photography also, event planning also, you see somebody's wedding and it's so big, it's so huge. The photos has come out really nice. The decor is really beautiful. The food is good. The people are looking beautiful there. But what people need to understand, there's a lot of planning, there's a lot of money
Yeah.
that has gone into it, and
course.
the only way to replicate it by putting as much money as that guy did in the wedding.
110%.
You cannot just go to a thela and ask for a latte.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
it doesn't make any sense. So
doesn't.
when you see a wedding which happened in Rome, and that guy paid close to 40 lakhs to a photographer, 2 crores to event planner, or like whatever amount
Yeah,
they paid.
whatever, XYZ.
And then you come to Delhi and find a photographer. Your wedding is happening in Dhaula Kuan, right? No offense to Dhaula Kuan people, but if your wedding is happening in Dhaula Kuan and your budget for photography is 1 lakh, for event planning the budget is 5 lakh, then how are you expecting an output of 10 crore? That is a very illogical thing of customers. And I just don't know how to tell them. It's a reality.
No dissing on customers.
Yeah.
We appreciate all of you. We love all of you.
Exactly.
Please come call us.
Please do. But the thing is, you also, it's like, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, right?
Yeah.
So, or Rajamouli. He made
Yeah.
Bahubali 2. He had budget of 1,000 crore to make 2 movies. Somebody comes to him and tell him, listen, you know what, I'll only give you 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
Please make these 2 movies. You know what he'll say? I can't do it.
Of course.
It's not possible.
It's not. It's not.
So, weddings are also like a movie set.
It is.
Everything that you need in a movie set, you need in the wedding. We talk about decor. The decor is there. You talk about photographer, cinematographers, they are there. There are artists. Who are artists? Bride and groom. And the people who had come to the wedding, they're dressed in a certain way.
Yeah, of course.
It looks like people have adopted this uniform for just this event. So your characters are there, your side characters are there. There's a location. They hunted for location. They booked it in advance. So
Yeah.
everything that is in the movie, it's also in the wedding.
Of course.
But depends on how much you're spending in the wedding, the outcome is going to be like that. So that is the only, I think, one of those things that I think, and we cannot also blame them because
We can't. Honestly, we can't. I think people are just spoiled by choices, and we cannot really help them. And this is one of the bigger challenges that we also face today, is because the visions that the clients have and the budget that they want to spend, they don't really match, and
Yes.
the expectations then come heavy on us, and
Yes,
it just
yes.
becomes exhausting and overwhelming at one given point, because you can't say no to them, and you
Bilkul.
can't explain them कि sir आपका budget नहीं है.
no, you can. So the thing is, because we are running a business in India, so the market here is a little different. The mentality here is different. हम जुगाड़ पे चलते हैं
Yeah,
और हम
absolutely.
ऊपर से दिल्ली के लोग हैं. हमारी कंपनी दिल्ली में बेस्ड है, तो हमारा ये होता है कि भैया
कटिंग हियर हमारी कंपनी दिल्ली में बेस्ड है, बट हम ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड में डेकोर प्लानिंग फोटोग्राफी
सब करते
हैं. कॉल अस.
सो आई थिंक हमारा ये है कि अगर हमें कोई कंप्यूटर खरीदना है तो हमने अमेज़ोन पे देखा कि ये कितने का है, भैया 40,000 का मिल रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, हम चलते हैं नेहरू प्लेस, वहाँ तो 25 का मिल जाएगा.
नहीं बेटा, हम ऑनलाइन फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी जाते हैं, स्नैपडील
हाँ,
पे भी
वो भी
जाते हैं,
करते
हम
हैं.
पूरा ऑनलाइन रिसर्च
रिसर्च करते हैं, फिर हम जाते हैं कि अच्छा नेहरू प्लेस चलते हैं, वहाँ पे सस्ता मिल जाएगा. और जुगाड़ है हमारा. हमें कपड़े खरीदने हैं, हमने सोचा, हमने देखा ऑनलाइन इतने का मिल रहा है, हम जाते हैं सरोजनी मार्केट में 200 का मिल जाता है. तो हमारा ना मेंटालिटी वो जुगाड़ पे बन चुका है. So treating photographers in the same way
treating every vendor
No,
in the
no.
industry.
This
yeah.
is, I think, I'll just disagree with you on this point. I have also realized one more thing. When you talk to people, they are going to spend money on the venue.
Yeah, they do.
They are going to spend money on food. Because in our society, especially in Delhi, it's always about when I'm sending out invites, what is my address?
Yeah, of course.
That
It's the
matters more than
standard.
anything else. Standard,
It's
right?
the
So it
standard.
has to like say Taj. Okay, Taj, theek hai, check. Second thing, food. Okay, because people who are coming to the wedding, they will talk about food, drinks. The guest, only bride and groom cares about photography or event planning
Yeah.
or how the decor looks like. So people might spend a lot of money on food and on the location, and the same person will spend crores on the venue or the food or the drinks. They were like 2 लाख में कर लेते हैं photography का.
No, but in all honesty, Piyush, this is this is what we are also facing at today's time. Like you mentioned, Instagram is spoiling everyone, and I open my own Instagram profile, which is my work profile, and I see thousands and thousands of planners. I mean, in मुझे जो लगता है मतलब आई थिंक एवरी 10 minutes there's a new company that's opening up. हर गली में एक इवेंट मैनेजर है, मतलब it's इवेंट मैनेजर, फोटोग्राफर, केटरर, कोई तो है, कोई 200
हर जगह
रुपए
एक
की प्लेट
सन्नी
कर रहा
photography खड़ा
है,
है.
हाँ कोई 200 रुपए की प्लेट कर रहा है, कोई 2000 की प्लेट कर रहा है. मतलब the real challenge that we face is that we get teams, we hire people who are doing jobs for us, and cut to 1 year down the line they have their own companies because they feel they can also do this.
Yes.
And then they post everything on Instagram. They never give you credit, and then of course telling the client that it's their wedding, which also confuses our potential clients. But well, they don't care because they're okay with spending 1,000 rupees on one person. We are getting a person, we are getting like a professional who's going to charge a client 3,000 or 4,000 depending upon their job profile. But the client will now go and save money and hire someone for 1,000 rupees.
Definitely.
Because they feel प्लानर का तो काम ही क्या है, हमने लोकेशन अच्छी चूज कर ली तो लोकेशन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लोकेशन वालों की, हमने केटरर अच्छा चूज कर लिया तो वो केटरिंग की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी केटरर की, हमने अच्छी बारटेंडिंग कंपनी चूज कर ली वो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. बट नो, इट डज नॉट हैपन लाइक दैट.
Yes.
No, who's going to do your plate count?
Definitely.
Or who's going to sit there with the bartender and see कितना glassware टूटा या कितनी alcohol की bottles लग गई है, और in general who's going to discuss with the location as to genset कितने बजे चलेगा, genset की wiring का क्या system है, basic things.
मैं आपको एक कहानी बताता हूँ जो मैंने अपने रियल लाइफ में फेस की. दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस दैट मेरी शादी हो चुकी है, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah, guys, he's married, he's not available.
Yes. So मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. It's been 2 years now and I'm happily married.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's like you did not know that already.
We've celebrated it.
And I'm really really happy after getting married. ये मेरे वाइफ ने
Are you
हमेशा
listening?
ये मेरे वाइफ ने हमेशा बोलने के लिए बोला ऐसा.
आपको 500 रुपए मिलेंगे,
Yeah.
लेकिन 50 रुपए ओवर एक्टिंग के काटे जाएंगे.
So, but anyway, continuing what you said,
Yeah.
about your conversation, because I got married and we did not hire anybody from hospitality. And on the day of wedding, I was going from room to room, waking people up, asking them, jodoing my heart, कि please get ready,
Yeah.
we'll get
The
late.
event's about to begin.
And so I got married in Alwar, and there's this palace, so there was no network and nobody could like reach out, nobody
Yeah.
could text or call anybody for messages. We could not reach photographers, we could not reach anybody. So I, as a person, and Prakhar, who is my best friend, also co-founder of this company Silver Line Production, maybe you will see him in
We
next
hope-
episode. Yeah,
we
if
hope
he
we
agrees
can
to
get-
if he agrees to sit with us,
No, I think we hope we can get our co-founders
Yes,
here.
yes, someday.
Both the co-founders of our companies.
Definitely, I would love to.
Guys, please, you need to ping them. You need to tell them. We want to do a
Yes.
chill session here.
If you guys comment that we want to see Prakhar and Ankur
Yes.
next time,
Yes.
we're gonna bring them.
Yes.
If we see 10 comments, we're gonna bring Prakhar and Ankur next
We
time.
have a very low
Low expectations. Just 10 people commenting, we'll get them on board.
Yes.
Right?
We'll bring them.
Yes.
We'll do everything in our power to get them. But you need to meet these.
बट हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? ओके, हॉस्पिटैलिटी थिंग. सो मैं अपनी ही शादी में रेडी होके, आप इमेजिन करो कि मैंने शेरवानी पहन ली है, मैंने जूते पहन लिए, अपनी शादी में मैं डोर टू डोर जाके लोगों को उठा रहा हूँ एंड आई एम टेलिंग देम टू गेट रेडी, प्लीज प्लीज गेट रेडी बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग लेट. Also because me and Vinati, my wife, we both are photographers, so we wanted to get some, sundowner photos while we are getting married, and पीछे पूरा वो लाइट अच्छी आ रही हो, तो हमारे दिमाग में था कि that is more important than anything else. So we are just rushing, like कि हमें सबको उठाना है. शादी के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ that how importance these people hold in our wedding, like the event planners or the team of hospitality, because they take care of everything.
Yeah.
The wedding feels extremely seamless because you don't have to do anything. You are already doing so much, and as a groom I felt like I was like, I don't know, like it's some feeling that I can't describe, but
Yeah.
you are overwhelmed.
You're overwhelmed.
You just don't know what to do. You are freaking out, you have anxiety, and this is to all the grooms and the brides. I know what you feel when you're getting married. I know exactly what you feel because I've been there.
It's a nice feeling, guys, is what
It's
I
not
can
nice.
say.
Believe me, people who are saying it's a nice feeling, it's not.
Come on,
I
guys.
almost puked thrice.
That is because you were too drunk. No, hire the right people. Like, my belief is hire the right people to do your wedding. Hire the right photographer who's going to come on time.
Yes.
Knows when to shoot, how to shoot, where to shoot. You don't need to run around, and
No,
doing
exactly.
everything.
That's what I'm saying. That you need to hire people who are taking care things for you.
Yeah, of
Because
course.
see, you are bride, I am groom. For example, you're getting married. I hope you get married soon. When you get married, you already have to take care of so many things. There's groom, he's already taking care of his part of things. There's families who are attending families. So everybody is sort of busy in their own way. But who's gonna take care of the decor guy? What sort of food is coming? और खाना अच्छा है कि नहीं? फोटोग्राफर टाइम पे पहुंचा है कि नहीं? फोटोग्राफर को कब बुलाना है? ये सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देखने के लिए एक कोई चाहिए. And I think if we don't have that, we cannot enjoy our own wedding.
I agree, and that is what we always tell to our clients, that we are going to be your Google. We are going to be your one
Google.
point. Yeah,
I like that.
Let us know. Call
Love
us.
that.
I know. I mean, this is what we want our clients.
Can you say it again?
I'll be your Google.
Oh my god.
But really, like, hiring the right people is important because we're going to take care of everything. Instead of calling 10 vendors, you got to call one person.
Yes.
Who's going to call those 10 vendors, and you have to just really enjoy it.
Yes.
Because I also understand family expectations, and your presence in the event is so damn important. And let us bridge that gap for you between the vendors, between the families, and just enjoy, literally
Yes.
be present in the moment.
Exactly.
Go away with the photographer and get your dream photos clicked,
Dream
because
photos done, yes.
this is what you're going to remember. And rest, let us do it for you. But I mean, that is one of the challenges. Since we're talking about the challenges, this is one of the challenge. Asking, having people's expectations understood and making them understand where we are coming from is another challenge, because they feel, अच्छा इनको hire कर लिया, अब ये सब कर लेंगे. But सब कुछ करने के लिए भी हमें सब कुछ जानना जरूरी है, या हर जगह पर होना जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल जरूरी है.
And people don't understand this thing, and by all means I want people to understand in the upcoming era is that planners are important. They feel कि ये तो क्या ही कर रहे हैं, मतलब इनका तो कोई जॉब ही नहीं है, इनका कोई रोल ही नहीं है. But हमारा सबसे बड़ा रोल होता है. I mean, and this is what I've struggled it a lot.
About the disrespecting part, I genuinely feel like we have also been to a lot of weddings. We've been part of a lot of families. So there are certain people, and who actually who thinks that if I hired the vendor, they are sort of people I can disrespect.
Yeah.
I have the authority to disrespect them, because they are working for me. And this is it is a very Indian mentality.
Yeah, it is.
I'll just mention it. This is a very Indian mentality. Even if, you book a cab, and you sit in the cab, AC chala, badboo kyun aa rahi hai, aisa kyun ho raha hai, so all of those things, I think it's in our nature.
Yeah.
But मुझे एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है, the people, the new people, the new generation.
The Gen Zs.
Not Gen Zs, also the millennials, also there are certain class of people who understand your
Yeah,
value.
they do.
If somebody comes to me and they say ki, I just want to hire a photographer because I'm getting married, and then somebody else comes to me and tell me ki, I want to hire you because I like your photography, that's a difference.
Exactly, 100%.
Somebody is coming to you because they understand what sort of photography they want to get done in their wedding, and somebody coming to you just like मुझे तो एक photographer hire करना है. That person is not going to respect you.
Yeah, true.
Most of the people I think now we are working it very respectful, and they understand who they have hired and what sort of content they want to get done. टाइमिंग्स का थोड़ा बहुत ऑफ कोर्स ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. हम तो हमारे तो जीन्स में हम तो लेट होते ही होते हैं.
उसका कोई उपाय
आगे पता है वेडिंग टाइम पे हो ना, सबसे ज्यादा पता है खुश कौन होता है?
फोटोग्राफर.
पता है क्यों? आज तो फोटो मिलेंगी बहुत अच्छी. मतलब मैं बता रहा हूँ, क्लाइंट से ज्यादा ब्राइड और ग्रूम से ज्यादा खुश फोटोग्राफर होता है. मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा, हमने खुद फील करा है कि जब हमें वो 5 अच्छी फोटो मिल जाए ना, वो जो खुशी होती है ना, मैं बताता हूँ कोई पैसा उसको ना उसका ऊपर नहीं है.
I think हम तो we are so used to it. We know that it's going to run late. We can't help it. We really can't help it. So it stopped bothering me in all terms. मतलब I know my team's going to have to stay
Yeah.
2 hours, 3 hours extra to the time that we've discussed. So Piyush, we've discovered that there are multiple challenges, but I think you'll also agree to it that despite all of it, it's something that we've learned through it. We're going through it. We're evolving like everyone else is, and we've also had some amazing people that we've worked with. Clients, hands down, we've gotten amazing clients, and I think you vouch for it as well. And we hope to continue growing and learning and evolving, no matter what the obstacles are.
Definitely. You know, because we are in this industry, and as you said, it has shaped you in a different
Yeah.
person altogether. I wanna just continue that and say something from my own experience also. Since the time we have started the company, and if I look at myself now, the one thing that has changed so much in me is that how I talk to people now.
Yeah.
You know, how I treat them, or how much I respect them, because you are always in some sort of a society, and you know, you always talking to people, and you are in certain environment, and it just becomes a part of you.
It does.
After a certain time, you are all the time you are just talking to people like that, like, hey, how are you? Is
Yeah,
everything
you just
good?
become
Okay.
very admirable.
Very
and
polite.
Very polite.
You become good listener.
Yeah.
You know, like, okay, tell me
Which
what.
his wife appreciates now.
Yes, definitely, way too much.
Now here I got 500 rupees. But no, yeah, I think our companies have shaped us today. Being living in Delhi, we are all very impatient, and we tend to become, we tend to do things or react in a manner that we should not. And
Definitely.
but our work has made us such that all of these things don't matter by the end of the day. And well, I think that's enough.
That's enough.
That's enough for today, guys. We appreciate that you're all listening to us. You're still
Yes.
here. And we hope to curate more and many more episodes for you.
Yes, definitely.
And let's see you in the next one.
Yes.
Adios.
Let's see you in next one. And I also want to say that keep supporting us,
Please.
and please go watch our stories, our videos on YouTube.
Please.
And you know, you'll get to hear a lot of good and bad stories from our own experience.
We're fun people, you guys.
Yeah, we are fun
We're
people.
very fun people. We just need that support. That enthu ke nahi na karna chahiye.
All right.
But all
Bye-bye.
right, guys. See ya. Adios.
See ya.